Okay, good morning students, and today is discussion on integration some importance problem. Okay, now here first one is, let us say 1 by x into root x dx. First convert to standard form. What is the standard form? So integration of x power n dx. This is the standard form. What is the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, provided n is not equal to minus 1. This is the first formula. Okay. Now here this can be written as integration of 1 by x into x over half. Okay. Root x means x over half, or this part equal to integration of 1 by x power 3 by 2 dx. Or you can write integration of x power minus 3 by 2 into dx. Then use the formula here. Here n equal to minus 3 by 2. Use the formula. So x power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay. So this is x power minus half divided by minus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, or here we will get minus 2 by root x plus c. This is the answer. Convert to standard form. Here this is the standard form. Now here second one is now a plus b whole square. Okay, a square x square whole square plus 2ab 2x square into root x plus root x whole square, that means x whole into dx. Okay, or this part equal to x4 plus 2x square into x over half, so 5 by 2 plus x into dx. Now this part equal to integration of x over 4 dx plus 2 take out common, integration of x over 5 by 2 dx plus integration of x dx. Then use the formula. Now this is the convert to standard form, then use the formula. So here n equal to 4 plus 1 5, x power 5 by 5, then plus 2 x power 5 by 2 plus 1 5 by 2 plus 1 x0 here 1 power is 1, so 2 by 2 plus c, or we can write x power 5 by 5 plus 2 into x power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus x square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, now third one. Next is third one. Okay, now third one is, let us say I equal to, now multiplication of these two, so x into 2x, then minus x square plus 6 minus 3x whole into dx, or we can write, so minus x square plus 2x minus 3x minus x plus 6 into dx. Now use the formula again. Now this is converted to standard form. Now so this is the standard form, then use the formula. So minus x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus 6 into x plus c. Here 6 means we know that integration of c dx equal to c into integration of dx equal to c into x. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, now fourth one. Now here fourth one is I equal to, now a plus b whole square root x whole square x plus 4 root x plus 4 by x fourth. Okay, a plus b whole square, a square root x whole square x plus 2ab 2 into 2 root x plus 2 square, or this part equal to x by x fourth plus 4x power half by x fourth plus 4 by x fourth into dx, or this part equal to x power minus 3 plus 4 into here half minus 4 x power minus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 then plus x power 4 into x power minus 4 into dx. Okay, then use the formula. So here n equal to minus 3, use the formula. So x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus 4 into x power minus 7 by 2 plus 1 minus 7 by 2 plus 1, then 4 into x power minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 plus 6. So after the simplification we get the required answer. Okay, this is a simple problem for using the integration. This is standard form. Okay, now convert to standard form, then use the formula. Okay, the next one is another question. Say about the integral. Okay, now here integration of dx by 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so what is the value of 1 minus cos square x? So this is a sin square x. Okay, or 1 by sin square x equal to cos square x. So what is the integration of cos square x? So minus cot x minus cot x plus c. This is the answer, because this is antiderivative. Derivative of cot x equal to minus cos square x. Okay, now here second one, sixth one. So this particular integration of sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Okay, cos square x can be written x. This part equal to tan x into sec x dx, or you can write sec x into tan x dx. So derivative of sec x equal to sec x into tan x. So this is a sec x plus c. This is a one. And another form is second form. Okay. So second form we know that integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to ln of f of x plus c by taking f of x equal to t or u. Now here let cos x equal to t. Okay, let us say cos x equal to t. What is the derivative of cos x? So sin x. So minus sin x into dx equal to dt, or sin x dx equal to minus dt. Okay, now here use the formula. So this part equal to, that is 6 to 1 equal to minus dt. What is that? Cos x equal to t, so t square. So minus 1 by t square. So this is a 1 by t plus c. Now by using the integration formula, so t equal to cos x, 1 by cos x plus c, or you can write sec x plus c. Either use that you can use, or use this formula as you like. Okay, now seventh one. Now seventh one is here cos sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Okay, so a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Now 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x whole into dx. Now cancel out integration of dx minus integration of cos x dx. Okay. So what is the integration of dx? Is x. So what is the integration of cos x? Is sin x. So here minus sin x plus c, this one. Okay, so this is coming upon, we know that integration of sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c, and integration of cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Okay, this is a integration of trigonometric function. Okay, now eighth one. So cos 2a, what is that cos 2a? Now we know that cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a. We know that this is formula. Now use the formula. Now cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. Okay. Now a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So cos x minus sin x into cos x plus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. Now this cancel out, cos x plus sin x. Now here integration of cos x dx minus integration of sin x dx. So what is the integration of cos x? Is sin x. So what is the integration of sin x? Is minus cos x plus cos x plus c. That this is the answer. Okay, now ninth one is I equal to integration of cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, now this part equal to integration of 1 by sin square x minus 1 by cos square x dx. Okay, now cos square x divided by this one, now cos square cancel out. So here cos square x minus sec square x goes into dx. So what is the integration of cos square x dx? So minus cot x. Minus cot x. This is a minus tan x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Now first one is algebraic function. The second one is related to trigonometric function. Okay. Now another question. Now here another example is, another question is the integration of root of 1 plus sin x. Okay. Now this part equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square into dx. Okay, or before you write here, before you write one step, 1 plus, what is the value of sin 2a? So sin 2a equal to, we know that 2 sin x, because sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into dx. Okay, or you can write 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole square. Now this one, or root over. Okay, or here write this one, or you can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square root over into dx. Okay, or so here integration of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into dx. So integration of cos x by 2 dx plus integration of sin x by 2 dx. So what is the integration of cos x? So sin x. Okay. So 2 sin x by 2 minus 2 cos x by 2 plus c by taking x by 2 equals c. Okay. Now question number 11. Okay. So here cos 3x minus 2x. Cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b divided by 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square x into dx. Or this part equal to cos x by sin square x dx. Okay? Or integration of cos x into cot x dx. Okay, so this is the derivative of cot x minus cot x dx. Derivative of cos x. Okay, plus or in this second form, let sin x equal to t. Okay, now another substitute method. Okay, let sin x equal to t, then cos x dx equal to how much? dt. Now here dt by t square equal to minus 1 by t plus c. So minus 1 by sin x plus c equal to minus cos x plus c. This is another part. Okay. Either you do this way or this way as you like. Okay. Now question number 12. Now here a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab to 10x theta and cot theta equal to 1. 2ab plus b square 10 square x whole into dx. Okay, so a square. Now cos square x equal to cos square x minus 1. Cos square x minus 1 because cos square theta minus cos square theta, because cos square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore cos square theta equal to cos square theta minus 1 plus 2ab plus b square. Again similarly sin square x minus 1 whole into dx. Okay. Now here a square theta common, integration of cos square x dx minus a square into dx plus 2ab into dx plus b square integration of sin square x dx minus b square integration of dx. Then with the formula. Okay, so here a square minus cot x minus a square x plus 2abx plus b square 10x minus b square x plus c. Now from these three take out common, x take out common. So minus a square cot x plus b square 10x minus x take out common, a minus b whole square plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Now next one is question number 13. So 13 is integration of 3x by e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x into dx. So integration of e to the power 2x dx plus integration of e to the power minus x dx. Now use the formula. So we know that integration of e to the power mx dx. What is the formula? E to the power mx by m plus c. This is the formula. Yes or no? Now use this formula. E to the power 2x by 2 minus e to the power minus by minus 1 plus c. Answer. Okay. Now this is a sum. Use that equal function. Okay. Now next one is now another again questions. Okay. Now 14. The integration of x square by x square plus 1. Here, so integration of f of x by g of x. Okay. Now, if they have same degree, f of x and g of x same degree, then first divide the function. If f of x is greater than g of x, again divide the function. Otherwise, let g of x should be. Okay. Now here they have same degree, or 3 take out common, x square by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now this can be written as 3 plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 whole into dx. Or you can write partial fraction also you can write integration of 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. Or you can write by partial fraction also you can write. Okay. So 3 into what is the integration of dx? X. So what is the integration of dx by this one? So tan inverse x. Okay. Plus c, because integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is a formula. Okay. Now here 1 by integration of dx by x square plus 1 whole square. So a equal to 1. This is the formula. Now fifth one. Now here x6. So degree of f of x is greater than the degree of g of x. Now first divide this one. So x6 by x square plus 1. Divide this one. Now x4. So x6 plus x4 minus x4 minus x square minus x4 minus x square plus x square plus 1 x square plus 1 minus 1. Also, so this can be written as I equal to x4 minus x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1. This one. Okay. So then this is the formula. So here integration of x4 dx minus integration of x square dx plus integration of dx plus x square plus 1 into dx. Then with the formula x square 5 by 5 minus x cube by 3 plus x minus tan inverse of x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 16. Now equal to, now from this two take out common x square, take out common x square plus 1. Now from these two take out common x, take out common x square plus 1 plus 2 divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. So here this by this is x square, this by this is x plus 2 by x square plus 1 into dx. That gives the formula. So what is the integration of x square dx? Is x cube by 3. What is the integration of x dx? X square by 2. What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? So 2 into tan inverse x plus c. This one. Okay. Now question number is 17. Okay. Now question number 17 is, so x square by x cube by root over x square minus 1 plus root over x square minus 1 by x cube into root over x square minus 1 whole into dx. This one. Okay. Or this part equal to dx by x into root over x square minus 1 plus cancel out, so x bar minus 3 into dx. Okay. So what is the integration of dx by x into root over x square minus 1 equal to sec inverse x plus this is the formula. Now use the formula. So sec inverse x, this is a plus x square minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus 6. Okay, so sec inverse x minus 1 by 2 into x square plus 6. This is the answer. Okay. Now this is a simple example for the integration by using there are two methods. One is the integration of x over n dx by using the standard formula. Okay. One is the integration of x over n dx. What is the integration of sin x and integration of sec inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. Okay. Now next class we will discuss about the some trigonometric function. Okay. By using ever the integration by using some trigonometric function. Okay.